Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change page color. First, go to File, then Page Setup, then go to Pageless, and then click on this background color and pick some color like so, and now press OK. Now as you can see, it changed all the color but not the page. So this is the problem that I ran into, so I solved it for you. In order to change only the page color, you will have to go right here to Insert, and then you have to insert a drawing, and then New. Then simply create this shape, this rectangle. Draw anyhow you like, because you will change it later. Press on Fill Color and now select the color of your page, so let's say this one, and then save and close. Now select it and simply click on in front of text, like so. Then position it to your page, click on Move with Text and click on Fix Position on Page. Now position it to the left top corner and simply scale it to the whole page. And then all you have to do when you scale it to whole page is to change it so the text will be visible. So change it to behind text. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.